All right, so this is the material I'm using. It's by Blackjack roof coatings, and it's Elasto Cool 1000. I bought it at Lowe's. It's an elastomeric siliconized roofing system, and you see I got 2 panels done. What I'm doing now, I told you I'm constantly strategizing how I'm going to work out this job, and I'm going to put 2 coats of this on, and I want the second coat to be full lengths of these panels. So this coat I'm putting on this way, right? If you remember the first video that I showed you of the Blackjack patch material, I had the paintbrush stuck right in there and it was standing up straight. This stuff is more liquidy, okay? But it goes on thick. You should put it on, I think something like 7 or 8 mil, which is like the thickness of a contractor garbage bag. That's how thick you want it, and that's each coat. And so, once again, you're going to have to feel it out and figure out how far you can stretch this, how far, when you put your roller down. I don't put my roller down right here, because then I'm going to end up with too much material right there. I move over about 1 roller over, then I spread it out and move back up to it. And what I'm trying to do in this coat, both coats I'm going to do, I want to cover this patching that I did both times. I did it when I covered that one, and now I'm going to cover it again with this coat, just so I get a little more on those seams. That's all. Don't know if it's going to really help, but I'll tell you, it can't hurt, right? And that's, I try to make it the best job I can do so that I have a happy customer and I'm not coming back.